All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here. We are proud to present this beautiful 2017 Chevy Sonic. It is the Premier Package Turbo Edition with the alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper, it's pretty darn decent. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Is that curbing? It's curved here, but about an inch, then another 2 inch. So about 4 inches altogether just to engulf it all. Your tire tread here is under 7/32, above 4. This door does have a dent there. No paint off, about 2 inches. This rear door looks good, and this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's side rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on here. And your tire tread under 4/32. It looks like, let me double check. That is correct. Just at the line of 4/32. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. One of the back and forth is powered. The rest is not. Push start system here. Very nice. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details on that. Got your AM FM CD player. Obviously that's working. AM FM CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera, pow. AC controls right down below. You got heated seats, pow. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And there's your mileage of 35,000. 35,306. All right, open up, turn on the lights, open up the doors. Where's the trunk? Oh, must be a button back there to open that trunk up. Here's the other side. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Rear bumper looks pretty damn nice here. Rear deck lid here looks good. This is what your trunk space looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I tucked away your owner's manuals back there. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Tire tread here under just at the line like the other one of 4/32. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks very nice. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. This fender looks pretty good. Front passenger hubcap looks good. And your tire tread here is under 7/32, above 4. And that pretty much completes the tour. All lights are working. Car is driving. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Chevy Sonic. It's the Sonic Turbo Premier Package with 35,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding, folks.